Hello everyone, today I am going to give you a quick tutorial on how to implement a vehicle number plate recognition system in MATLAB. So let's just first run this file and see the output. So here it is showing KPT295. So why it is showing this? It is basically extracting a number plate which I have downloaded some vehicle's number plate image, and it is just extracting the number of that image and showing it up here. So let's come to the implementation part. Here I have, why it is showing KPT295, let me show you. I have downloaded some vehicles number plate images. Like in this file I have uploaded car3.jpg. let me show you the image. So basically these are some images which I have downloaded. Like I have uploaded this image. See, KPT295, this is basically a number plate image. That's why it was that's why that file was extracting this number and showing KPT295. Like this file, I have uploaded several number plates images like this. So let's just test another image. Let's say this carplate4.jpg. let's just copy the name and paste it over here. carplate4.jpg. Okay, now let's just run this file. So that was the image 374HQR. So it is correct. So let's come to the implementation part. So basically it is a vehicle's number plate recognition algorithm based on the very elementary technique of template matching. So this algorithm basically takes an input. As you can see here, it is taking an input image of the number plate, and after filtering the image, as you can see, we are reading the image, then we are resizing the image, then converting. If it is RGB, then it is converting to grayscale, then we are applying some media filters, then it is just filtering the image, and it performs region based operations. Then it basically tries to capture the characters regions in a processed binary image, and with the aid of the template matching outputs the string of the number plate characters. And additionally I can tell you and the function read letter is modified from the function supplied with the OCR algorithm. So that's how we have basically implemented this vehicle's number plate recognition system. Thank you for watching.